Guys, we're running so many errands today.
Oh my god, it's like something else, but guess what?
Oh my god, you're
coffee. What?
You're a real white girl. I keep forgetting.
I am from California.
She's literally. Wait, are you actually from California?
I'm literally from
California. My
California.
Fatma, if she's watching this, she's also from California. But I sound more white than her sometimes.
Yeah, like I can totally pull off like a Valley girl accent.
I can do the Valley girl accent as well. Like
it kind of like sounds like your throat is
Ew.
like blocked or something.
Yeah, like literally, like you're speaking from your nose.
Yeah.
And it just feels like very nasally. I feel like all the guys are gonna be like, shut up. They get so triggered when I do that, but all the girls love it and they lean into it and they're like, oh my god.
Because you need to have the personality.
Like
The personality
like has to match. Oh my god, I fucking hate this like way up.
That's the round part.
It's so scary. It's so tight. Okay, so we went to, where did we go? Dubai Festival City. We bought tables, which I'll insert the footage.
I feel so excited right now about your vlog.
Oh my god,
It's gonna be so cool.
I wish I vlogged earlier. I really do. But anyways, لسه ما بلشت الevent, so I'm sure so much shit is gonna happen.
Oh yeah, for sure. Please give me my token.
I feel like my phone's so unstable right now.
I can reach. Gory.
I can never reach it. I have to open the whole door and everything.
Oh, you know what happened this morning? I did the same thing and it fell on the floor. And there's barely any space between me and like the thing. And so
How do you even do that?
So just imagine like it dropped on the floor. I was barely able to open the door and like get out of the car. Like I squeezed myself and then there were people piling up behind me.
No.
I was like, I'm so sorry. I don't know what to do.
Fabas, so we went and we shopped. We got headphones.
Full shopping.
We got, basically we have this event. We work in tech.
we bought the tables, but we forgot about the assembly.
We forgot about the assembly part.
So
and we're like, wait, how are we gonna put that together? So now we're gonna go get a toolbox.
Now we're gonna get a toolbox.
But I genuinely think we might need like a drill or something.
It's gonna be a problem.
We'll see. And what do we need? We need Apple TV.
We need the Apple TV. We need the clean box.
We need the thingies, the toolbox, and there was one more thing. Oh,
HDMI.
yes, but that comes with.
That is aggressive decline.
I wish I filmed that.
Because
You know who you are. You just called her, and she's not like this. I wasn't gonna vlog, and then on the way back I was like, this is about to get so fun. So I was like, fine, I'll start vlogging. Even though it's a bit too late to start vlog. Not too late. The event didn't start yet, and I'm sure we're gonna do so much more fun stuff. It's literally my first day here, but I wasn't gonna vlog, to be honest, because I decided I wanted to be a TikToker. What happened is that I made a really cute TikTok and then I accidentally posted it on my story. So that made me not want to do TikToks ever again, because I worked so hard on that TikTok and then I posted it on my story and I was really sad. Okay guys, updates.
What is happening? I mean, traffic controller.
He's doing the hand signals as well, like.
He's telling him, okay, let's go. Hey! Assalamu alaikum, boss. How are you?
Madam, mistake. No, just go away, please.
I can't breathe. Hey, traffic controller, what are you doing in my car?
Okay guys, we have bowls. Cheers. I don't know what, I can't even see my anything.
Oh, yalla.
Okay guys, we're stressed AF and our head hurts and we want to sleep. It's 10:30 p.m.
Where are we?
We're going to the Dubai Mall.
We're on the road.
I don't want to. I'm so sick of malls.
Yeah.
خنقت.
This is the price you pay when you're so brilliant, you know, at what you do, because we're technologists, you know. So everybody wants a piece of MTech. It's like glory for them, you know.
Glory.
That they can just.
Ooh, I have an idea.
What?
Valet.
A valet is far. It's better to park. Khalas.
By the way, every time she's declined, it's been the same person, and I'm gonna send this video to this person and be like, hey, like.
Okay, in that case, I'm so sorry, but I just can't answer right now. I'm too busy.
Okay, guys, we have 30 minutes.
Run.
Can we do it?
I can't run. I'm too tired.
I can't run.
If you want to take the finish already now,
Yeah, بناخد المخلصين
but I
لبكرة.
can tell you like the names of who's more urgent. The names. Okay, just give me the name.
Guys, Nadia's so good at مفاصلة. إيش يعني مفاصلة بالإنجليزي؟ Negotiate. No, that's not the word.
Isn't it? Bargaining.
Is it?
Bargaining, yeah.
Okay.
Really don't get the hype with this guy.
Okay, guys, 8 minutes and the whole mall closes. We still have 2 really important things to get. Will we find them? This is our 4th store. Elon Musk is here again. OMG. Look, guys. There was one thing we couldn't find, but we found everything else. But we are half an hour late.
You're gonna see this on the vlog.
OMG.
Later.
See you later.
See you later,
See you
vlog.
in literally 7 hours.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Hi guys. Oh my god, I just got to the hotel. It's basically 12 a.m. I think. The lighting here is so bad. Here, I'll do this. I got myself a sandwich. Today was so exhausting. We ran a million things. Tomorrow is the event. We made really cute sweatshirts. Well, Nadia made it. Thank you, Nadia. Nadia and Ella. Yes. So, Ella made the design with Nadia. So, here's what it looks like. This is a medium, which is great for when I'm not like wearing it out. But I think I'm gonna pull like a Sharpay Evans and belt it. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. They want us to wear like all black with white sneakers, which I already have. And tomorrow, we have to be up by I think 6. I think I'll have to wake up at 6. I don't see any other choice. So, and I wore the most like uncomfortable outfit today. This kept like untying. These shoes kept untying. I just didn't think I would walk this much for some reason. Like, it's my fault. I've done events like this before. I know you run a million errands the day before. I'm just dumb. Okay. I have my Spain video ready. I should probably finish that up as well. I don't know. There's just a lot to do. I still have to code some stuff. Okay, maybe I'll do that tomorrow over breakfast or something. I just can't think right now. It's gonna be stuck anyway, so. That's it, I'm done. Good night, everybody. Wow. Good night, everybody. Hey guys, I'm all ready. Here's the sweatshirt. It is huge on me. I was supposed to get a small. The lady gave me a medium instead. I'm actually really mad because this is a really, really cute sweatshirt thing. That I would have loved to wear like other places, but like it's just too big and you can't even see my name properly. Anyways, I'm not going out like this for sure. I'm sorry. I can't. So we're gonna put a belt on it in true Sharpay Evans fashion. Or London, actually London Tipton did that more. So here's one option, okay? And here's the other option. It's like a silver moment. I can't decide what I want. I feel like this is more subtle than the other one. I also have literally 15 minutes to eat. I pre-ordered my omelet, but this is cooler. Works better with the white shoes. Oh, but we have that annoying like chain that's gonna be in the back. I'm gonna try the white shoes on and then see. Also, here's the makeup. I did purple to match the back. I'm so late, but this is the outfit. Decided to go with the silver, tuck the rest in. I really don't like wearing sweatshirts as like outfits. Life is way too short to do that. It's like we're gonna vote. This feels like
Read the question.
which area do you think will be most transformed by generative AI in the next 5 years?
Panning, so they could see the answers. I already voted right here.
This one. I'm against the arts over here.
Wait, let's just look at your eyeshadow real quick. Okay, what is your primary ethical concern regarding generative AI?
No.
Job displacement.
Maybe privacy issues, honestly.
I mean,
Saying how disgusting the outfits are. We don't like. Wait. Okay. We don't like them. I really tried. I tried to make it as not shit as possible.
at least your hijab and your eyeshadow like gives it something. I'm like,
Something.
I don't know what I'm doing.
We're saying like we don't wear this to the airport.
Yeah. My airport.
We should get you know like the senior jackets.
Oh yeah. That would be good.
Yeah, we're going to get snacks for the
We're
team.
gonna get Starbucks stuff for them, pastries and
We don't
stuff.
like Starbucks. My bad, whatever. Hey guys, look where we are. We had to get another coffee because someone who shall not be named stole the one that we had got. Why is this so slow? What the hell?
Going down this elevator.
Oh my god, imagine if you were like people you didn't know you're like
Elevator music.
where are we going?
To the Museum of the Future.
Oh.
Sad, welcome to the
I
vlog.
could
Welcome
never
to the
do
vlog.
this. I could never.
Do what? Like do this in public?
Like, you know, like, I'm like super camera conscious. I can never do it.
Is this like AI generated stuff?
Yeah.
Wait, is it?
Yeah, it even shows you text.
Oh, and the prompt.
Come.
Like, is this meant to be like a bird in the future or something? Or also
ايه تعال ايوه شاطر come شو اخبارك شو علومك اخوي oh my god he's so close where are you going
And what an impressive panel lineup we have here for you today.
guys we made a new friend do you have names for every one of them
His name is Fred.
Fred bye Fred bye I'm so happy I'm back in the hotel. Yeah, I just want to sleep early to be honest. Like yesterday I slept for 5 hours. The day before I slept for 4 hours, so I need sleep. 3.
Tell me one.
Yalla.
Okay, so these are our shoes.
Oh, that's so
This one. And then you can zoom in.
Why did I look? We've been filming all day, but not for you.
Hey guys,
We're taking things down.
our Polaroids.
Our Polaroids.
Show our picture. What do you guys think?
Love it.
Please let me know in the comments.
There's also this weird one. There's this one
Oh yeah, that's also very weird.
and this one. I forget all of them are me. And that one.
Yeah, most of them are of us.
Look how many Polaroids. Damn. Oh. Ew. Are you excited?
Shamla.
I forgot that you were flipping the camera. I was like, wait.
Hey guys, just got to the hotel. We finished our event, so I'm gonna end the vlog here because I feel like we got a lot of stuff. Maybe I didn't. Bye.